Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm excited to bring you from our friends at Apple Blossom Designs. These are a penny for them, really card making kits, and they make penny slider cards. And it comes with a set of stamps and cutting dies, and they're just bundled together like this. I'll pull this one out. And this one has a 9-piece die set. You get this wonderful sheet of stamps. Let me take this off so you can see it all the way. This wonderful set, and this was called On the Right Track stamp set. And then this one is Take the High Road stamp and die set. And this one has also got 16-piece dies, and these wonderful with the cars and the little motorcycles, so cute. So let me get right to it and I'll show you. Let's see, let's try this one first. Here is an adorable card that Debbie made with the cute little train. That cute, and it just slides up and down the card like this. The important mechanism, let me find this die. Here is the mechanism die for the slider, and let me show you all the rest of these cute dies. Got a ticket die, here's one for the train, all these little arrows and things, and it's even got 2 circles right here, so that you can cut, if you don't happen to have any pennies on you, you can cut some of these little discs that can substitute for the pennies. So if you don't want your card to be too bulky, or you want to send it through the mail a little more easily, you could just use these pieces right here. So anyway, the mechanism right here looks like this, and you just fold everything where the score lines are, and then got your little pieces with foam tape on the back, and you just slide those in there, and then it runs along that track. Really cute. I love that. Look at the adorable little suitcases from the stamps. All right, and then I wanted to show you actually how to assemble this. So this is using this is the Take the High Road stamp set, and as you can see, I covered my card here. This is from Wood and Textures paper pack. That's a new one from hot off the press. This has got this great diamond plate paper from the texture portions of it. So I just cut about 1 inch off the bottom front edge only, and then I just stamped that tire track border right there and put a little bit, one of the cutting dies with a little gear. So here's all the cutting dies. And as you can see, this particular little track for the sliding mechanism is a little bit different. So on this one, I went ahead and cut some black cardstock just a little bit smaller than the card, and I wanted it to go right about there. And then you put some foam tape on the back. Take off all my little pieces here. Right, and then when we set this down, this will give us the dimension that we need, and I'm actually going to use pennies on mine. Oh, pretty straight. All right. So, and I've got some pieces here that I used for my stamp and dies. So, got my little car, and then I stamped that with alcohol-proof ink, and then I covered that in with, colored that in with my tri-blend markers, alcohol-based. Gives it a lot of bright, vibrant color, and lets me blend really 2 shades of red to give this car a little more depth. You have all these great little traffic signs, and I also die cut and then inked some of the little gears and things like that. So here I've got my pennies right here, and I put 2 layers of foam tape on my penny, and I'm going to put this together like this. Just want to make sure your pennies are lined up. And then you're just going to take your penny and just slide them in to the mechanism. You kind of lift up, so you slide it into the top and then lift up the bottom, and that'll just put that right into place right there. And then that penny is just going to move around. I like the weight of the penny myself. I think that's a little easier. Now we can take a little dot of glue, and I like to get my penny secured in that space first instead of putting it on the back of the little car and then you're having to fumble with the card. So I find it's just easier to go ahead and put it in the slot and then glue the card to that. And now it can just move along freely, wait for that glue to set up. Okay, now we're going to finish the card here using our cute little signs and things like that. And I made enough to go all around the top of my card to cover up the black parts of those cardstock. I should also mention I put right here, this is a birthday, it's just a birthday sticker, and it's script greeting dazzle stickers. I just wanted to add just a little birthday note in there. Here's another little road sign that's got some foam tape on it. I love that it's got, this collection has all the dates on it, so it could be for a birthday. Numbers on the other. Little more glue. The road sign. And then we'll just add a couple of more of these little guys overlapping. Some more gears. And we've got one more gear here. And I like to alternate between, I've got some tan gears and some gray gears. Just like that. All right, I think that's good. All right, so then our glue is set up and our car can just move around like that. It's just a cute little fun, just a fun presentation for your card. So you guys, we've got a great money saver on this. So, oops, my train went flying. So if you're watching us on our vlog page, just go ahead and look on the right side and you'll see the money saver photo. Just click on that and it'll take you to the money saver. And if you're watching us on YouTube, just look below the video in the description box. You'll see the link to the money saver as well as a link to paperwishes.com where you'll find lots more fun things to play with. Thanks for joining me today and I'll see you next time.